My Explorer has been serviced, so I'm going to drive a Kia Optima. This is how it looks. Tell me what you think in the comments area. Oh, probably want to see the inside. Let's see. It's the inside of it. Looks really nice. So right now we are at East Auto Utah, coming out of the parking lot. We're going to go on State Street, which is running left and right. Ahead are the beautiful mountains of Utah. Just now they will have snow on them. It's fairly cold now, not briskly cold, but it's getting there as time goes on. That's our location on the map. We will be going southward on State Street in Orem. State Street runs all the way up to other cities and down even to Provo, but we're not going all the way here. Just gonna around a few places in Orem. Now personally, driving this Kia was okay. I am not a fan of cars. This vehicle in particular for me was really low down to the road. I don't know if it was made for racing or if it's just that I'm too used to driving trucks and SUVs, so when I get in a car it really feels like I'm very low to the road. Anyway, it had a good takeoff. The ride was okay. I still prefer my SUV and can't wait to get it back. So this is Orem, and I want you, for those of you who are not in Utah, maybe outside of Utah, different parts of the world, I want you to see how much trash you see on the road as we pass by. Look for anything like bush, weeds, old furniture on the sidewalk, pavement, you know, things like that. Tell me if you see any of that, because really you're not going to find that here in Orem. Utah is, especially Utah Valley and a lot of these surrounding areas, is very clean and well kept. I mean, I can't say that for the entire part of Utah, because I know some areas, for instance in Salt Lake City, West Valley and so forth, unfortunately they have certain problems there that cause certain streets or areas to be unkept. But here in Orem it's really nice. The infrastructure is good, the lights, the markings on the road itself all paved, no potholes and all that. You can get a general feeling from just watching at everything to see how it is. It's not my intention to talk all through this video. I'm just gonna let it play with natural sounds, so you'll hear the sound of the engines and cars and vehicles passing by, and you can just have a look and see what it's like riding in a Kia Optima in Orem, Utah. As usual, please feel free to give your comments, let your friends know about JB's Man Cave. I do this all for my sons, and I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching.